What's up, guys? Today we're diving into the craziest Amazon gadgets selling out right now. Mind-blowing tech, weird but genius kitchen hacks, and desk upgrades that look amazing on camera. We'll flash current prices on screen and drop every link below so you can grab them fast. From viral must-haves to slept-on gems, these picks do more than sit in a drawer. Ready to level up your space? Let's jump in. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. For more comprehensive details, visit our website, like this video, subscribe our channel, and click the notification bell for the latest updates. Ready for the list? Let's jump right in. Number 30. Govee Glide Hexa Light Panels. Turn your wall into a living visualizer. Govee's Hexa panels snap together like Lego for grown-ups. Then explode with scenes, gradients, and music sync animations controlled by app or voice. The adhesive mounting is renter-friendly, and the layouts are only limited by your imagination. It's the kind of statement piece that makes guests say "whoa" before you even press play. Trendy, endlessly customizable, and perfect for gaming rooms or creators. This is why it's selling out fast. Number 29. Nanoleaf Shapes Hexagons Smarter Kit. These are the iconic modular tiles you've seen all over creator studios. Snap the hexagons together, stick them on the wall, and watch touch-reactive light scenes ripple under your fingertips. The app packs hundreds of presets, music sync brings beats to life, and Matter Thread smarts play nicely with your ecosystem. It's art you can program, and an instant vibe upgrade for streams, Zoom calls, or living rooms. A viral favorite with insane versatility, which explains the constant sellouts. Number 28. Divoom Pixoo 64 LED Pixel Display. A retro-modern billboard for your desk. The Pixoo 64 by 64 panel broadcasts pixel art, timers, weather, follower counts, or your own animations straight from the app. Mount it on a wall or park it behind your setup to turn background space into a living status board. Creators love it for alerts and brand flair. Gamers use it for stream visuals. It's practical, playful, and wildly eye-catching. Exactly the kind of "what is that" gadget that trends and sells out. Number 27. SodaStream Terra Sparkling Water Maker. Trade bottles for bubbles on demand. Terra makes fresh, sparkling water at home with a satisfying press. No cords, no countertop clutter. Dial in light fizz or full throttle, then flavor to taste. It's cheaper than canned seltzer, way greener, and strangely addictive once you start. Perfect for kitchens, dorms, and recreational vehicles, and a must for party prep. With better-for-you drinks trending, this modern fizz machine keeps flying off shelves, and yes, refills and bottles are easy to source. Number 26. Meter Plus Smart Meat Thermometer. Set it, shut the lid, and relax. Meter Plus is a truly wireless probe that tracks internal temp and ambient heat, while the app walks you to juicy, perfectly timed results. No cables snake across your grill, and the magnetic wood dock looks slick on any kitchen wall. From steak night to holiday roasts, it turns guesswork into confidence. Great for beginners, beloved by pros. With grilling season surging on social, it's a hot, sell-out-level upgrade for any pit. Number 25. ThermoPro TempSpike Wireless Meat Thermometer. If you like data with your dinner, TempSpike delivers. Drop in the probe and monitor cooks from the couch with dual sensors, real-time graphs, and smart alerts for carryover. It's minimalist on the grill, maximalist in the app, and ideal for smokers, rotisserie, and oven roasts alike. Consistent food beats lucky food, and this gadget makes consistency easy. No wires, less lid lifting, better results. Budget-friendlier than many smart probes, which is why it keeps trending and selling out. Number 24. SYLVOX 15.6-inch under-cabinet smart TV. Your kitchen just got a command center. This flip-down smart TV tucks under a cabinet, rotates for the perfect angle, and streams your favorite shows and recipes while you cook. It saves counter space, resists splashes better than a tablet, and folds away clean when you're done. Great for RVs and workbenches too. It's a sleek, practical upgrade that turns dead space into entertainment. Exactly the kind of "why didn't I do this sooner?" buy that sells out fast. Number 23. Delta Faucet Glass Rinser. Bar level clean at your sink. Press a cup, bottle, or baby item down, and the GR150 blasts residue with a powerful spray. Think cafe glass rinser, but at home. It rescues narrow bottles your brush can't reach and looks premium in stainless next to your faucet. Parents, home bar fans, and meal prep pros swear by it because it saves time every single day. Once you install one, you wonder how you lived without it. Hence the near constant demand. Number 22. O-Cedar EasyWring Microfiber. Spin mop and bucket. Cleaning TikTok's favorite for a reason. The EasyWring foot pedal pulls water out hands-free, so you control moisture for wood, tile, and everything in between. The triangular head attacks corners. The microfiber grabs grime with just water, and the refills are machine washable. It's oddly satisfying to use and way easier than clumsy squeeze mops. When a chore becomes a quick win, people tell friends, and that word of mouth is exactly why this keeps trending and selling out. Number 21. Dash Rapid Egg Cooker. Perfect eggs without babysitting the pot. Load 6, choose soft, medium, hard, hit start, and wait for the buzzer. It handles omelets and poached cups too, then tucks away in tiny apartments or dorms like it was made for them. Meal prep, deviled eggs, breakfast for a crowd. This little dome punches way above its size. Cheap, cheerful, and wildly reliable. Exactly the kind of impulse gadget that goes viral, lands on gift lists, and vanishes from stock. Number 20. Yonanas Classic Frozen Fruit Soft Serve Maker. Craving dessert without the guilt? Drop in frozen bananas, berries, or mango, and Yonanas whips out silky dairy-free soft serve in minutes. No added sugar, just fruit. It's ridiculously easy to use, and even easier to clean. So late-night cravings don't turn into kitchen projects. Kids love it, fitness folks swear by it, and party guests think it's magic. Viral for good reason, budget-friendly, fun, and a healthier twist that keeps selling out when smoothie season hits. Number 19. Cooluli 4-liter mini fridge. Tiny but mighty. This retro cute 4-liter cooler keeps skincare chill, desk snacks handy, or road trip drinks perfectly cold. It plugs into standard outlets or your car, swaps cool to warm for lunches, and tucks into dorms, fan builds, and makeup stations without hogging space. Creators love it for beauty routines. Gamers keep one by the battle station. It's practical, portable, and photogenic. The exact combo that trends on socials and sells out whenever aesthetic workspaces start popping off again. Number 18. Glocusent LED Neck Reading Light. Hands-free, eyes happy. This flexible neck light beams illumination exactly where you need it, on a book, knitting, or a repair, without waking the room. Choose warm or cool color temps, dial brightness across multiple levels, and enjoy marathon battery life for flights, camping, or couch reading. It's featherlight and comfy enough to forget you're wearing it. A small upgrade that solves a nightly headache, which is why readers, crafters, and travelers keep snapping it up fast. Number 17. Anker MagGo Power Bank. Your phone's new everywhere charger. This ultra-slim MagGo snaps on magnetically with Qi 2 alignment for secure, fast wireless top-ups. No cable shuffle. A sturdy fold-out kickstand props your screen for flights, desks, or bedside scrolling, while USB-C handles quick wired juice when you need speed. Airline-friendly capacity, pocketable design, and Anker's rock-solid safety smarts make it an easy daily carry. It's sleek, practical, and endlessly useful. Exactly the kind of upgrade that trends and sells out fast. Number 16. KitchenArt Select a Spice Auto Measure Carousel. Twist, click, perfect measure. This compact carousel dispenses an exact 1/4 teaspoon with each turn, so recipes stop becoming eyeballed chaos. Load your go-to spices, apply the labels, and stash it on the counter or mount it inside a cabinet. Meal prep gets faster, cleanup gets lighter, and consistency goes way up. Great for beginners and busy weeknights. It's a clever space saver that actually streamlines cooking, which is why it keeps trending across kitchen hacks and sells out quickly. Number 15. Tovolo Sphere Ice Molds. If your drink deserves a tux, give it spheres. These molds turn out slow-melting, crystal-clean ice balls that chill whiskey, cocktails, or mocktails without watering them down. Fill, cap, freeze, and flex for easy release. No cracked plastic or mangled cubes. They stack neatly, look sharp on bar carts, and instantly level up presentation for reels and parties. A small, affordable luxury that guests notice and creators love on camera. No surprise they vanish when entertaining season hits. Number 14. OXO Good Grips Stainless Steel Pineapple Corer and Slicer. Whole pineapple to perfect rings in under a minute. The OXO Corer's ratcheting handle saves your wrist. Measurement marks stop you from punching through the shell. Twist down, pull up, and boom. Photo-ready slices with the core captured cleanly. It's non-slip, easy to wash, and way safer than wrestling a chef's knife around prickly fruit. Tropical cravings become low effort, which is why this clever slicer keeps trending every summer and selling out with beach drink season. Number 13. Rack Magnetic Wristband for Screws Nails. Ever drop a screw into the void mid-project? Strap this on and stop chasing hardware. Strong magnets hold bits, nails, screws, and small tools right on your wrist, so you climb the ladder once and finish faster. Adjustable, breathable, and tough enough for garage duty, it's a tiny helper that feels like an extra hand. DIYers love it, pros keep backups, and gift givers buy 3 at a time. Exactly the kind of practical novelty that sells out fast. Number 12. Esky RF Wireless Key Finder. No app, no pairing, no drama. Tap a color-coded button and the matching receiver beeps and flashes from under cushions or in coat pockets. Loud enough to end the scavenger hunt. Stick the tags to remotes, keys, bags, or glasses cases. The base sits by the door so you can grab and go. It's simple, reliable, and oddly satisfying when something goes missing. A universal problem solver with gift appeal, which is why it keeps popping in and out of stock. Number 11. BISSELL Little Green Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner. The viral stain buster you've seen all over socials. Little green sprays, scrubs, and suction spills from car seats, sofas, rugs, and stairs. Pet messes included. Compact tanks are easy to fill and rinse. The hose reaches tough corners. And results are chef's kiss satisfying. Keep it stashed and deploy for life's snack attacks and coffee oops moments. It's affordable, powerful, and delivers dramatic before and afters that viewers love. Exactly why this little workhorse sells out whenever cleaning season hits. Number 10. KRAUS KRM 10 Roll-Up Dish Drying Rack. Meet the space-saving sink upgrade you'll use every day. This over-sink roll-up rack air dries dishes, rinses produce, and doubles as a heat-safe trivet, all while keeping counters clear. Food-grade stainless steel rods with grippy silicone ends sit steady over most sinks, then roll away in seconds when you're done. It's renter-friendly, minimalist, and weirdly satisfying to use. A small gadget with huge daily impact, which is exactly why it keeps trending and selling out across tiny kitchen and meal prep videos. Number 9. Chef's Path Airtight Food Storage Containers. Pantry Glow-Up Time. This airtight set seals out moisture with locking lids and silicone gaskets, keeping cereal, flour, snacks, and pasta fresher longer. Clear walls show inventory at a glance so grocery lists get smarter, and the stackable design frees up real shelf space fast. Label them for that oddly satisfying, Pinterest-ready look. It's a simple organization win that saves money and cuts food waste. No wonder it's a recurring viral pick and one of those add-to-cart gadgets that disappear from stock. Number 8. Philips Hue Gradient Light Strip for PC. Creator-grade desk glow. This gradient strip throws multiple colors at once for smooth ambience behind your monitor, then syncs to games and media with Hue's desktop app. Bend it around corners, trim to fit, and stick it with the included adhesive for a clean install. Pair with the Hue ecosystem for scenes, schedules, and voice control. It's the quickest way to make a setup look premium on camera and a regular sellout during battle station upgrades and seasonal refreshes. Number 7. Iris USA Underbed Storage Bin. Declutter without sacrificing space. These low-profile clear bins slide under beds and couches to hide shoes, seasonal clothes, keepsakes, whatever's crowding your closet. Snap-tight lids keep dust out, transparent walls make contents instantly visible, and built-in handles help you pull them like drawers. It's the easiest organization win for small rooms, kid spaces, and guest linens. Out of sight, out of mind, and off the floor. Practical, tidy, and budget-friendly. which is precisely why they keep trending and vanishing from inventory. Number 6. Magnasonic Professional Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner. Bring back the sparkle with nothing but water. Ultrasonic waves lift grime from rings, chains, glasses, and watch bands, reaching crevices brushes can't touch. Pick a timer cycle, hit start, and watch cloudy pieces transform in minutes. It's quiet, compact, and shockingly effective on everyday buildup. Home jewelers, eyewear wearers, and detail nerds love the satisfying before and after. A pro-grade clean without a store trip is a compelling promise, and exactly the kind of practical wow that goes viral and sells out. Number 5. Ninja Creami Ice Cream Maker. Your dessert lab at home. Freeze a pint, then Creami spins it into ice cream, sorbet, gelato, or protein-packed treats with a tap. Respin fixes texture, mix-ins drop in like a mini factory, and cleanup is countertop-friendly. TikTok loves the endless recipes, from high-protein nice cream to decadent midnight pints. It's fun, customizable, and way cheaper than nightly scoop runs. Viral plus delicious is a dangerous combo, which is why this machine keeps selling out all year. Number 4. Rocketbook Core Reusable Notebook. Handwriting, meet the cloud. Jot notes with a Pilot Freeshon pen, scan to your favorite apps via QR shortcuts, then wipe the pages clean with a damp cloth. The Core gives you the feel of paper with the infinite reusability of digital, perfect for students, creators, and meeting warriors. Templates keep layouts tidy, dotted pages flex from sketches to lists, and the app handles smart naming. Eco-friendly, budget-savvy, and productivity-boosting. No wonder it keeps trending as a must-have desk upgrade. Number 3. Sabre Wedge Door Stop Security Alarm. Old-school wedge meets loud modern siren. Slide this under the door, and any forced movement triggers a piercing alarm. Ideal for travelers, apartment dwellers, and late-night study sessions. No complicated setup, just battery power and instant deterrence. The skid-resistant base helps hold the line while the sound buys you time. It's a small, confidence-boosting gadget that punches above its weight, perfect for safety roundups and travel essentials lists. So every time it trends, shelves empty quickly. Number 2. Okupa Rechargeable Hand Warmer. Cold hands ruin everything. This pocket-size heater delivers toasty, even warmth with multiple heat levels and a long-lasting rechargeable battery. Great for commutes, stadium seats, dog walks, and winter shoots. Smooth edges feel good in hand, and USB charging keeps it easy. It's safer and greener than single-use warmers, and the gift appeal is off the charts during holiday season. A cozy, practical upgrade that people actually use every day. No wonder it keeps trending and selling out. Number 1. Clocky Alarm Clock on Wheels. The chaotic enforcer your snooze button fears. Clocky is extra loud, jumps off your nightstand, and rolls away so you have to get up to catch it. It's hilarious, slightly evil, and brutally effective for heavy sleepers, students, and chronic nappers. Setup is simple, the design is meme-worthy, and the wake-up success rate is legendary in comment sections. A gadget that turns mornings into a chase scene? That's instant viral energy. And exactly why this little menace keeps selling out. That's the roundup. 30 crazy Amazon gadgets that actually earn their keep. Prices were on screen and every link's below so you can grab what you loved before they sell out. Tell me your top 3 in the comments and what category you want next. Kitchen, desk, or smart home. If this helped, like, share with a friend, and subscribe for the next drop. See you in the next one.